Hi everybody, my name is Daniel, owner of Supreme Auto Glass and instructor at the Auto Glass Technical Institute. If anybody has any questions about joining us in classroom, a 5-day training course, feel free to visit us at autoglasstechnicalinstitute.com. Here we have a 2021 Subaru Forester. We just did the windshield replacement and we're going to do the static calibration. This one is a dual, so after we do the static, we're going to go ahead and do the dynamic portion as well. So here we have the markers set up. One pro tip that we have is that we have two metric tape measures that are both in centimeters. So the distance you can find at maxisys.ados.com. We have them from the center front tires to the target at 3,989 millimeters. And we have these markers here, these reflective markers that you can find at adosequip.com. And these are highly visible markers. So here we have the laser. We have marked it beforehand. So this is the marker with the 30 millimeter offset for this Subaru Target that we have from Autel. Here we have them at 398.9 centimeters. So it's an easy conversion. And they are really easy to see. So now that we have this all set up, we're just gonna move this stand to the offset, and then we're gonna go ahead and shoot it. We have the MA600 at a height of 1,235 millimeters. So this is locked in place. We're just gonna go ahead and pick up the arms, lock them into place, drop the support arms, and now we're gonna go grab our target, and these arms we're gonna move them to 724 millimeters. So now that this is all set up, we've done the pre-scan. Now we're just gonna go ahead and shoot the target. So here on our tablet, we already did the pre-scan. So we're just gonna go into ADOS calibration, fault the scan. We're gonna go on EyeSight, hit the target. And then we have some preparation to do. We have to press and hold the lane departure camera and the forward collision to be able to unlock it. After we've done that, we replace the front windshield, hit OK. We have, like I said, the two patterns. So ours is the 14, which is A, without the offset. OK, OK, we set everything up. Ensure ignition is on. Calibrating. And here it shows that we're 98% accurate. So now we're gonna turn off the ignition. All right, so because we installed or we applied Sika Ultimate, our primerless to glue, 30-minute drive away time, this is ready in case of an accident. In case of a head-on collision going at 30 or 40 miles per hour, there's no way that this windshield is gonna pop off. So that's the most important quality of this urethane. High quality urethane. So the Subaru, what it wants to see is these street lanes. So the better that it is, the more visible that these lanes are, just like here, the more or the quicker the EyeSight is going to be able to calibrate. Down at the tablet, it has the requirements, and it has the, what's it called, what it wants to see pretty much. So right now it's calibrating. We're just gonna go ahead and go nice and smooth. It wants us to go above 40 miles per hour. It wants some visible lanes, and we'll come back as soon as the percentages move. So right now we got a score of 1D and 0F because these roads are super curvy. So the EyeSight doesn't like that. The EyeSight doesn't like the sun hitting right at it. So we're just gonna keep going until we get a good score. But this is all we got to work with. We don't have any better roads here in Yucaipa. So we'll come back once we get the best score that we can. Is 1F05. So we're just gonna go ahead and press OK. Caesar, hit OK. Calibration success. All right, this looks like a safe spot. So, gonna go ahead, put it in park. Now it says, hang on, turn off engine. Okay, engine is off. Hit OK. Do you want values displayed on the report? Yes. Yes again. Oh, okay, there we go. All right, now we're gonna turn on the ignition. The ignition is on. Turn off the AC, don't want to kill the battery. Then we're gonna hit escape, post scan, fault scan again, and it's just gonna run through all of the systems. It did have some DTCs for the tire pressure, for the stereo, and then we're gonna add a photo. Let me just step outside real quick. Okay, finished. And so all of these DTCs, we're gonna leave them so that they can take it to their dealer. But that's pretty much it. All right, everybody. So that's how we do dual calibration for this Subaru EyeSight. And I just want to thank everybody for tuning in, and it really means a lot for everybody to be here, take some time out of your day to watch these videos. And everything that I do is for you guys. I don't do it for the money. I do it for your views and to help you guys out. So if you guys have any questions, if you guys have any comments, and more importantly, if you want to join us at the Autoglass Technical Institute to be able to do the 5-day class, we demonstrate all of these calibrations, chip repairs, replacements, and as well as invoicing. So insurances, and we'll do everything for you guys. Lee Swindell, his wife, and I, it's our mission to help you guys. So whatever you guys need, feel free to visit us at autoglasstechnicalinstitute.com. Thank you guys again for watching.